In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Splunk on Ubuntu. So make sure you already download the Splunk Enterprise download page and you choose the right package, which is the .deb type for Ubuntu. And after that, you can now proceed to the terminal window and run the following command. Paste the code that I'll be prompted on the screen. So once you have the necessary dependencies installed, you can download the Splunk .dob package using wget, or in the terminal, run the following commands. You can copy this again, and then after that, you replace the version and platform with the correct version and platform information from the website. If you're unsure, you can check the direct link from Ubuntu website. And then once the deb package is downloaded, you can install using the following command. And once the installation is complete, you can start the Splunk service by running the bash code that I'll be prompted, and that's it. That's how you install Splunk on Ubuntu. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.